Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Daily English JC. I'm really glad you are here with me today. Before we start, take a slow, deep breath. You are doing something positive for yourself right now. In today's episode, we will practice English together for only 5 minutes. Yes, just 5 minutes, not 1 hour, not a long lesson, only 5 concentrated minutes. This practice is short, easy, and perfect for busy people. You don't need a notebook, you don't need a classroom, and you absolutely don't need hours of free time. All you need is 5 minutes and your voice. This is what I call snack learning. Small pieces of practice, but very effective, like healthy snacks for your English brain. You can do this practice anytime. You can do it in the morning while you make coffee. You can do it while you walk. You can even do it quietly before going to sleep. It fits naturally into daily life, and real life is where English should exist. So here is your simple task for today. Listen to my voice, repeat after me, and speak with me. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about your accent. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just listen, just speak, and let the language move naturally. If you like this kind of short, simple practice, tell me in the comments. If many learners enjoy it, we will create more episodes like this for you. Now, let's move to today's topic. It's one of my favorite topics. It's called the power of small habits. Many people think success comes from big actions. They believe they must study for hours every day. They believe they must change everything immediately. But real change doesn't work like that. Real change doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in many small moments repeated every day. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 2 hours once a month. You brush for 2 minutes every day. That small habit keeps your teeth healthy. Learning English works the same way. It's not about one big weekend of studying. It's about small daily actions. 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, 5 minutes of shadowing. These moments may seem small right now, but over time, they create big results. And there is science behind this. When you repeat a small action every day, your brain changes. Your brain creates a new path, a new connection. At first, that path is weak and slow, but every time you practice, it becomes stronger. It becomes faster. At the beginning, speaking English feels hard. You stop, you think, you look for words. That's normal. That's part of learning. But with small daily practice, something amazing happens. Your words come more quickly. Your mouth moves more naturally. And speaking becomes more automatic. Automatic means your mouth speaks without your brain feeling stressed. Small habits are powerful because they are simple. They don't require strong motivation. You don't need to feel excited. You just do them. And that is when real learning starts. Here is a very important secret. If you want to build a habit, start small, very small. If you plan to study 1 hour every day, you may stop after 1 week. But if you plan only 5 minutes, you will probably do it. It is very difficult to fail 5 minutes, right? You can shadow English while making coffee. You can repeat sentences while brushing your hair. You can practice quietly while walking. Small moments are easy to repeat, and repeatable moments grow. 5 minutes becomes 10. 10 minutes becomes a habit, and this is how real fluency starts. And when you continue doing this, 5 minutes slowly becomes 10, 10 becomes 20, and very soon, English becomes a natural part of your life. Let me share a short, real story with you. I once worked with a learner who was very shy. Even very simple English sentences made him nervous. He knew vocabulary, he understood English, but when it was time to speak, his mind blocked. So we didn't focus on big goals. We didn't push long study hours. We started with one very small habit. Every morning, he spoke to himself in English for only 2 minutes. At the beginning, his sentences were very simple. I'm getting ready, I'm making coffee, I'm going to work. That was all. But something interesting happened. After a few weeks, his sentences became longer. After 2 months, he could tell short stories about his day. And after 6 months, he joined an English speaking club. 2 minutes changed everything. Not because 2 minutes is magical, but because 2 minutes was easy to repeat. It changed his confidence, and confidence always comes before fluency. So here is my message for you today. Don't chase big goals. Build small habits. Small habits improve your English. Small habits build your confidence. And small habits slowly change who you believe you are. This 5-minute practice can become one of those habits. Listen regularly, repeat often, and trust the process. You may not feel progress in one day. You may not notice change in 1 week, but in a few weeks, you will surprise yourself. Before we finish, let's quickly remember what you learned today. Today, you learned that you don't need long study hours to improve your English. Small daily habits are more powerful than big, irregular effort. Even 5 minutes of speaking trains your brain. Repetition builds confidence, and confidence makes English feel natural, not scary. This is how real English progress happens, quietly, slowly, and consistently. Now, if you want more guided practice like this, short, focused, and realistic, you can join our learning community. Inside the English Speaking Way membership, you get structured practice, regular speaking routines, and support to stay consistent without pressure. Learning alone is possible, but learning together is easier. Thank you so much for practicing English with me today. Keep shadowing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I will see you very soon. Until then, take care and keep practicing every day.